2023 has been a weird year, and I thought I'd sit down here in a hotel room that is bathed in blue in the middle of a mass recording session to have a chat with you. At the start of 2023, I was working with a client within the kids entertainment world, and I gained my very first silver play button as a YouTube consultant. I've helped many YouTubers grow their YouTube channel over the time, and over the last 10, 12, 15 years, I've helped people go from 0 subscribers to 10, 20, 30,000 subscribers. But it was really fantastic to see a brand in the kids entertainment world go from 0 subscribers to 380,000 subscribers based on the advice that I'd given them. It was a real validation moment for me. The YouTube industry can be very hard. It's a lot of ups and downs, and I've been in the industry now for, I don't know, 15 years. There are early videos on YouTube of me in a bedroom with a tinny compact camera, much younger than I am today, clean shaven, no grey hairs, and it's lovely to kind of see that progression over time. I have close to 3,000 videos on YouTube with my face on it. This is whether it's on this channel, whether it's on client channels, whether I've been paid to host specific series. I'm on other YouTube channels for a period of time doing how-to tutorials. I've taught singing, I've taught car maintenance, I've done comedy, I've done educational content, I've done documentary stuff. I just wanted to take a slice of your time today to say thank you. Thank you for being part of this journey. At the current moment, I'm in possibly the best position I've ever been when it comes to YouTube. I'm working with a very large cryptocurrency channel, and that has 2 large crypto channels, and they're planning on expanding to other channels over time. I'm their YouTube guru. They have a fantastic work ethic. Everyone's very YouTube-y focused, and I never thought I would experience this when I first started the YouTube journey. YouTube can be very lonely, but when you find your own tribe, it can be fantastic. I want to thank people that have been around with me for many years, whether it's Steve in Australia, whether it's Simon, who gave me my first interview, whether it's 𝗦𝗫𝗍, who was my very first client when I stepped out of web development, whether it's any of you that have been watching me from day one and commenting in those comment sections. You know who you are. I would list you all, but it would be here for decades. The takeaway message from this quick video is it's taken me a long time to do a lot of things, and there's been a lot of ups and downs in the last 15 years, but 2024 could be the year that you hit what you want to do. So set your goals, write them down, and do your best. Don't kick yourself if you fall off on day 3. Get back on. Keep trying. It's taken me 15 years to be where I am today, and YouTube's given me a lot. YouTube's given me my freedom. YouTube helps me with my mental health. YouTube also hurts my mental health at times, but I wouldn't be where I was today without a bit of stubbornness, consistency, and experimenting. And 2024 is the year that you can experiment too. YouTube changed my life. Come join. Enjoy the journey with me. Let's start making your own dreams come true.